You mean the way Alex wrote it? What, my comments are great. My comments are amazing. I don't even know that. I don't even know what does EX stand for. Return the name score pair with score
Blind
100 if you do
137
this.
says.
Oh yeah, that's much more clear. Yours is much better. Return the name score pair. Mine's return the list in the list of that list that has one. It still makes sense, right? Mine kind of makes sense. It's good. Okay, maybe I should use yours though. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I should have said it like, yeah. Yeah, okay. If you don't think too hard, oh my god.